Ini kita akan memulai. First, we are going to um, start in the main session. We are going to introduce ourselves. Maybe I'm going to ask some of you. Biasanya kita minta Bapak Ibu dosen yang memperkenalkan diri. Tapi bagaimana kalau kita nodong beberapa teman-teman, nanti kita bantu ya untuk apa namanya spotlight teman-teman. Beberapa saja sesi yang kita akan melakukan dua sesi. We are going to spend the next 10 minutes in the main room so we can have an example of what should you do in the breakout rooms. Kita ingin melihat contoh apa yang kita bisa kerjakan di breakout room berdasarkan contoh yang kita akan coba di sini ya. Saya akan todong beberapa teman di sini, maybe a little bit randomly. Untuk kalian sesi yang pertama mungkin 2 atau 3 mahasiswa untuk memperkenalkan dirinya. Sebentar dulu. Saya lihat aja dulu. Nanti, okay. So I'm going to ask Rania, and I'll have another student with me today. Someone from my group, maybe. Joanna, how about you? Okay. In the first session, I'm going to ask Rania to please introduce yourself to your friends, to everybody. Go ahead.
Hello
Oke,
everyone.
teman-teman yang lain mohon sebelum Rania mulai mohon diperhatikan ya, mungkin nanti saya ada tanya-tanya tentang something that she says. Silakan Rania.
Hello everyone. My name is Maderania Audrey Santini, and I usually call as Rania, and I'm from the psychology study program.
Where are you originally from, Rania?
I am from Denpasar, Bali.
You're from Denpasar. Do you have any hobbies or any activity that you
I love dancing, so
What
my
kind of
hobby is
dance?
dancing, modern dance.
Modern dance. Okay,
Yes,
very nice.
and I also love to read novels.
Read or okay, very good. Who is your favorite author?
There's my favorite author, that is Terelie, and also Nadia Ristifani.
Nadia Stefani. Very good. Ioana, your turn to introduce yourself, please.
Hello everyone. My name is Putu Yon Pranata. You can call me Yona. I'm from management.
Ya, lanjut.
I'm Gianyar.
Okay. Ioana is from Gianyar.
Yes.
What village are you from?
Pejangkelot. Tapasir.
Tampak Siring. Very good. Do you have any hobbies or anything that you do?
My hobby is swimming and playing game.
Playing game. What kind of games are you playing? Like computer games or mobile games?
Mobile games.
Mobile games. Okay. Sometimes in Undira we have competition, right? Mobile game competition. At the moment, what games are you playing? So who knows? Maybe we have friends here who are playing the same games at you. Kira-kira, what games are you playing right now?
PUBG sih. PUBG. I am playing.
Oke. Mungkin kalau bisa pakai reaction ada di sini yang pakai main PUBG juga. Bisa pakai thumb or any something like this. Thank you both for your kind introduction. Maybe we can ask some of our other friends if they remember anything about you. Kita bawa teman lagi ya ke Elviana. Hai. Coba kita tanya dia dulu. Ingat nggak? Do you remember about Rania? Where is she from?
Rania from Denpasar.
Rania is from Denpasar. Okay. Elvi, do you remember where Yohana is from? Ingat gak Yohana bilang dia dari mana tadi? Ayo. Do you remember? Do you remember where Yohana is from?
Sorry Mister, di rumah lagi ada lagi ada pabrik, nggak dengar Mister, bisa diulang?
Okay. Where is Yohana from? Dari mana Yohana tadi dia bilang? Ayo.
Sorry Mister, nggak dengar Mister.
Nah, it's okay. We can find somebody else. Kita tanya teman lain. Ada yang mau volunteer? Ada yang tadi bilang, where is Yohana from? Silakan, saya lihat dulu suaranya masuk siapa.
Halo.
Oke, sama Ayu. Saya add spotlight dulu, terus nanti kita masuk. Oke. Ayu,
Yohana from Gianyar.
Yohana is from Gianyar. Do you remember what he said his hobby was?
Playing games and swimming.
And swimming, very good. Rudy, do you remember something about Rania? What is her hobby?
That's an easy guess. Modern
Wow.
dance and reading novels.
And reading novels, very good. Nah, bagaimana kalau kita gantian aja ya? Berarti kita ke Rudy sama Ayu Sari. Mumpung kalian
Oh
sudah di
man,
sini.
not K-pop.
Can we talk about the others? The second part of this was daily activity. Can you tell us? Maybe we start with Ayusari. Your daily activities. You can talk about something that you do during the weekdays, or maybe weekends. Up to you. Silakan, Sari.
Maybe weekdays I usually pick up my sister, my younger sister,
Mhm.
at school.
What
To
kind?
school.
Oh, to school. Okay. What
Yeah.
level of school is she in? Elementary school or junior high school or high school?
Junior high school student.
Junior high school. Okay. What do you do on the weekends? Do you have anything that you do?
Maybe I try out cooking,
Okay.
and maybe I hang out with my friends or my
Okay. What is your favorite thing to cook?
maybe baking.
Baking. Okay. Very good. Good for you. Rudy,
Thank
Yes.
you.
thank you. What about you? What do you do on the during the weekdays nowadays and on the weekends?
Okay, let me get this straight. So, in the weekdays, I mostly help doing housework.
Okay. And what about your weekend activities? Anything special that you do on weekends?
Cycling, playing
Cycle.
chess,
Okay.
playing pool, billiard,
Mm-hmm.
taking
Do you-
photos of plants and animals.
Okay. And you are in the biology program, right?
Of course.
Okay.
And I'm
Very
also
good.
ex-decafe.
Okay. Cool. All right, guys. Thank you for that. Yeah. If anybody's looking for weekend activities, you can come with me every Sunday. This is something that I do, and I invite students to join me every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. We have a group that does beach cleanup in Canggu, in Batu Bolong Beach. It's called Trash Hero Canggu. So we meet specifically in the Batu Bolong Temple, di Pura Batu Bolong. You should see a yellow flag with Trash Hero sign on it. There's actually three benefits of joining this. Number one, you can exercise and you can actually go to the beach and enjoy the beach and so on. Number two, you're helping the planet even if you are only collecting trash for 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, and it's still you're doing something, and you're raising awareness about trash in the beach and so on. And the third one, you get to interact with people because there are locals who are joining this, Indonesians as well as tourists and bules and expats and so on. Jadi, so that's a weekend activity that I encourage you all to go do and so on. Okay, let me bring. Thank you guys. Thank you, Rudy. Let me bring
Thank
some
you.
other friends in the mix. How about if we bring to our friend?
What about my bro, Adam?
Oh yeah, I've met Adam before when I was mana dia? Did I meet? Yeah, I met Adam when I was doing promotion in SMK Wira, right?
Wait, did we? Have I met you?
Oh well, I think I remember. Yeah,
Were you
you
in
were.
like
You,
Undira at that time?
yeah. You were in SMK Wira, right?
Yes.
I remember
Same.
because you always ask questions. So asking questions is a good thing, right? Oke, terus kita akan bawa ada teman yang kita ajak join. Let me bring another friend into the mix. Maybe our friend Annie. Hi. Now with the both of you, it's open. You can talk about yourself and maybe some also talk about your routine activities. Let's keep it in that frame. Go ahead, Adam.
Hello, my name is Adam Dennis Evans. I am an ex SMK Wira Harapan student, now a student of Undira. I am joining the Sastra Inggris program. My favorite hobbies are drawing digital art and playing board games. And what I usually do in the weekdays is help do housework, help my mom work as a wedding planner. And on weekends, I go on my motor, going to places so I won't get bored.
All right. What kind of places do you like to go? Do you go to the beach or mountains or just anywhere?
Mm, I usually like going to places that are not very crowded.
Okay, that's fair. Yeah, very good. There's Bali can get crowded, and there's also quieter side of Bali. Yeah. Okay, let's go with Anik Wahyu Jasyani. Thank you, Adam. Let's keep you there for now. Silakan, Anik.
Hello, my name is Nikade Aniwajashani, but most people call me Aja. I'm
Eja.
from
Okay.
I'm from Buleleng. Bali.
Okay. Um, what region in Buleleng? What is the village or the area called? Daerah mana di Buleleng deh?
Rokga.
Grogga. Oh, very good. In Grogga, there is this popular place called the Vihara Brahma Ayana, ya right? Itu di Grogga ya? Bukan ya? Yang wihara itu? Okay. What else? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, my hobbies is dancing K-pop.
K-pop dance. Very good. Ya, di Undira nanti bisa disalurkan hobi-hobinya. Do you have anything special that you do on the weekends?
Um, help my mom cooking.
Cooking, very good. Alright. Wah, seperti itu ya guys ya, yang nanti teman-teman akan lakukan di kelompok masing-masing. Jadi kita akan melanjutkan diskusi-diskusi ini tapi nanti di kelompok masing-masing. Please continue your discussion in your groups with the dosen facilitator, with the facilitator there. Um, we will do this activity until around 18:20, 18:30 sampai sekitar jam 6.20, jam 6.30. Once you finish, you can just leave the meeting. Let me ask Pak Okta. Pak Okta, are you ready for the breakouts? And once the breakout room is assigned, nanti silakan teman-teman bisa ikut join ya di
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to breakout room session with me,
Good
Pak Neil.
afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, Rudy. Okay, so thank you very much for joining our matriculation and I'm one of what I want to say like a facilitator. Actually, I'm a lecturer also in sastra English, and I'm so glad to listen to you. Tadi ada Rudy explain and maybe other students itu tadi di apa namanya di grup besar gitu ya. So for now saya mau beritahu dulu ini sepertinya sudah semua sudah join dalam breakout room ini. Nanti teman-teman apa namanya nanti teman-teman bisa melakukan presensi ya di akhir. Nanti itu lihat silakan di Google Classroom-nya. Jadi nanti menulis nama Anda, kemudian di belakangnya nama dosennya di breakout room ini. Got the point? Oke. Karena di masing-masing breakout room itu akan beda-beda. Jadi please don't say or tell to your friends, maybe nanti dia private chat Anda atau mungkin Anda ada punya kenal teman Anda gitu ya. Jadi contohnya misalnya begini. Rudy Mustafa Evan space atau underline gitu ya. Neil Wardana gitu ya. Jadi Ninyoman Melia Ulandari underline Neil Wardana, atau boleh ditambahkan dosen underline Neil Wardana. Seperti itu ya, ini berlaku untuk teman-teman semua yang join di breakout room ini. Oke ya, jadi please jangan beritahu ke teman-temannya yang lain. Itu ya, siapapun itu yang di dalam Zoom meeting di dalam periode kedua ini, gelombang kedua ini. Ya, siapa tahu nanti ada yang ngechat Anda atau ngechat di grup. Tolong jangan disampaikan. Ya, jadi supaya kami ingin tahu siapa yang terlibat join dalam Zoom ini, siapa yang tidak. Gitu. Karena menciptakan sila kelima dalam Pancasila kita itu sulit. Ya, keadilan sosial bagi seluruh mahasiswa Undira. Nah, itu yang saya ubah sedikit. Ya, nah itu. Jadi nanti mungkin kalau ketemu saya mengajar di kelas ya, nanti saya akan bisa serius, saya bisa bercanda gitu ya, nanti melihat konteks of situation at the class. Anyway, ini bukan mengajar, saya tidak mengajar, so I just want to know about what did you do ya, atau apa yang sudah Anda buat terkait di Google Classroom yang Anda sudah kumpulkan, itu yang sudah Anda submitted. Nanti kalau ada yang belum, jangan lupa masih harus Anda lakukan ya sampai selesai matrikulasi ini gitu ya. Oke, Anda boleh nanti ya sambil berjalan onward begini, you can ask for the formal for the class program and others for your study actually, itu bisa. Sebenarnya sih nanti tadi kita nanti ada ya, karena saya juga selain dosen itu juga ada kursus-kursus gitu ya. Nanti kita hari ini yang sedang running ada kursus bahasa Korea, kemudian ada kursus bahasa yang lain. Anyway, nanti kalau rekan-rekan mau berminat ya nanti bisa didaftar mungkin waktu PKKMB, nanti waktu seperti ospek itu ya, pengenalan kehidupan kampus itu nanti akan disampaikan di sana seperti itu ya. Jadi please ada yang saya sebelum lanjut, maaf ini saya lupa, kebiasaan saya adalah my habits, saya ingin tahu dulu apakah di dalam breakout room ini ada yang mahasiswa dari Anda sudah umurnya kepala 3 up to 30 years old. Nggak ada ya? Nggak ada, benar? Awas nanti kalau saya tahu Anda umurnya udah di atas kepala 3, enggak jujur sama saya. Karena fasenya nanti semua akan ketemu kami semua para yang dosen-dosen yang ketemu di dalam Zoom ini, yaitu nanti kalian akan temui kami juga. Oke, kalau sudah ada, berarti saya yang lebih tua gitu ya. Lagi satu, ada yang sudah menikah belum? Siapa tahu, saya sudah nikah Pak, umur 22 tahun gitu. Ada atau mungkin ya. Nggak ada? Ada? Nggak ada ya? Belum ya? Oke, ya nggak apa-apa. Saya cuma bertanya aja karena kalau saya tuh kalau kuliah itu nanti bukan hanya seperti polanya tuh nanti bukan seperti apa ya anak-anak SMA SMK tidak. Apakah dari Anda semua ini baru fresh graduate? Boleh saya tahu? Mungkin resen aja atau mungkin react di ini Anda masing-masing Zoom. Apa ada yang baru fresh graduate enggak? Saya ingin tahu saja supaya mungkin boleh hand gesture gitu atau Anda boleh kasih tanda oke. Ada yang fresh graduate di sini? Baru kemarin dia tamat. Ada. Ini fresh graduate semua kah? Ya, melihat fresh graduate. Sukmanita. Oke, nah itu saya maksud. Saya ingin tahu gesture ini Anda, react Anda biar saya tahu gimana. Karena oke, baru fresh graduate ya ada beberapa saya lihat. Berarti apakah ada yang sudah pernah kuliah kah misalnya? Misalnya dia pernah kuliah kemarin. Terus dia apa ya? Ada yang dulu saya pernah menerima mahasiswa sudah tamat S1 dia. Gitu. Ya, sudah terima sudah selesai S1, terus lagi dia ngambil S1 lagi gitu. Ada yang di sini begitu gitu. Berarti kalau ada yang sudah pernah kuliah, berarti dia sudah tahu dinamika perkuliahan. Jadi enggak perlu diajari banyak-banyak. Tapi bagi yang baru fresh graduate, ini saya sampaikan kepada Anda, kalau yang baru fresh graduate, ingat ya beda pola nanti Anda kuliah dengan sekolah waktu SMK SMA. Pahami itu ya. Jadi begini, kalau SMK SMA Anda mungkin hari ini makanannya spaghetti, bubur ayam, capcay, siomay dan seterusnya. Tapi kalau kuliah enggak. Anda diberikan berbagai macam makanan. Silahkan Anda pilih mana yang Anda suka. Itu artinya apa? Anda harus mandiri, jangan antar jemput bola, misalnya baru dosennya tidak ada info atau apa dari prodi terus Anda diam, ya harus tetap bertanya gitu kalau memang perlu dirasa bertanya terkait apapun itu jenis perkuliahan dan seterusnya. Apalagi nanti ketemu dosen, ya, chatting dosen maksudnya ya, kirim pesan dan seterusnya itu juga Anda harus ya ketahui seperti itu. Biasanya nanti dosen akan memberikan ya istilahnya kontrak perkuliahan jadi supaya ini apa namanya lebih baik gitu dalam proses perkuliahannya. Nah, sekarang kalau konteksnya sekarang ini kita bukan kuliah, jadi hanya sebagai pelengkap saja untuk nantinya Anda mengikuti kuliah di program studi Anda masing-masing. Yang jelas semua semua program studi pasti akan ada bahasa Inggris. Ada yang 2 SKS, ada yang 3 SKS. Namanya kalau 2 dan 3 SKS tentu bobotnya akan berbeda. Different SKS-nya, different score-nya yang Anda harus lakukan. Seperti itu. Kalau saya sih POV-nya, point of view-nya hanya sebatas speaking sama writing-nya saja. Kalau untuk mata kuliah bahasa Inggris. Anyway, tapi nanti itu ya waktu Anda kuliah. Tapi kalau di program manajemen bahasa Inggrisnya banyak. Atau yang ada D4 mungkin di sini gitu ya. Jadi selain bahasa Inggris itu dia nanti ada bahasa Inggris FB, bahasa Inggris accommodation gitu dia. Banyak gitu. Bukan hanya satu saja. And then other foreign languages. Di prodi lain sepertinya yang kalau tidak pariwisata atau manajemen itu biasanya hanya satu saja yaitu bahasa Inggris. Itu yang saya tahu seperti itu. Oke, now we can continue. Ya, saya ingin dengar dulu introducing yourself actually supaya saya jelas gitu kan, supaya saya bisa tahu Anda. Jadi boleh Anda baca dari apa yang Anda sudah buat, yang Anda sudah kirim di GC Anda masing-masing. itu. Terus ya yang ingin saya tahu itu adalah, wait a minute, hold on. Mana dia ini? Topiknya ya introducing yourself sama daily habits Anda. Ya, misalnya ya you can once again introducing yourself, kemudian where are you from? Mungkin tadi yang di main room itu kan hanya sebatas apa ya, in general. Now in a breakout room you can more you can be more specific ya. Jadi lebih spesifik. Jadi your full name and then maybe your nickname, how your friends, your family call your name. Not your name atau your alias name ya, atau your biasa kalau Anda kumpul-kumpul yang tidak sesuai dengan nama Anda. Kemudian maybe your daily activities, what do you do every day, and then your hobbies, and then the last is what do you do in your free time. Free time itu beda dengan hobbies ya. Kadang ada yang menyamakan. Kalau hobi itu ya kegemaran yang Anda doing, yang Anda always do gitu ya. Tapi kalau free time itu ya waktu senggang misalnya. Waktu senggang kan santai, misalnya selain tidur mungkin ngapain. Pak, ya Anda yang tahu itu. Boleh saya tahu dulu dari Anda introducing yourself, ya baik yang on cam ataupun off cam, on camera, off camera. Melia deh. Nah, tadi saya sudah dengar sedikit dari Rudy. Nanti saya tunjuk lagi yang lain. Boleh di-unmute Melia.
Oke, Mister.
Ya, bisa dikeraskan suaranya lagi dikit, Mel.
Halo, oke.
Ya, oke. So you can introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Nyoman Melia Ulandari, but everyone call me Melia. I'm from Tabanan, Bali, Kabahaba village. I really enjoy reading comic. I usually reading at webtoon app.
Webtoon app.
My daily activities. On weekdays, I will go to market to buy some food. I like to eat.
Yeah, everyone like to eat.
Yes, but
So do
that
I.
will be
Hmm.
like yeah,
Yeah, that's all. Enough.
that's all. And on the weekend, I will go to beach with my family. With my family.
Oke, go to the beach. Sekarang ke pantai katanya dilarang dulu karena ombaknya tinggi sekali. Ya itu, ya kalau berenangnya mungkin jangan ya. Kalau hanya sekedar rendam kaki, itu ya itu boleh lah. Oke, thank you Melia for your introducing yourself actually. So the last I will make the correction ya dari apa nanti. Mungkin saya tunjuk 2-3 orang, 4 gitu. Introducing yourself. Okay, actually now move to Aristia Apriliantika. Nah, kakak akuntansi, dan dia kakak manajemen. Ya.
Okay, hello.
Ya. Oke, silahkan.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikomang Aristia Apriliantika. Everyone calls me Aristia or Aris. And I'm originally from Denpasar, but currently I live in Buduk, Badung.
Oh, di Buduk. What village? No. Village-nya di Buduk. I mean that Banjar?
Banjar Kaja. Tibuan
Banjar
Street.
Kaja. Oh, Banjar Kaja. Tahu Poli Perbaja kan? Nggak tahu ya?
Baru.
Oh, baru di situ. Oh, oke. Sorry. Ya, lanjut. Go ahead.
So on weekdays, I go to my married sister's house and help her to take care of her babies and toddler. On weekends, I usually listen to music and watch K-dramas. My hobbies are listening to music and reading novels.
That's all?
That's all.
Ya, thank you Aristia. Saya panggil Aristia aja atau Tia karena di prodi nanti ada namanya Pak Aris juga. Biar nggak sama nanti ya Pak Aris. Biar nggak sama nanti biar nggak mau cari Aris. Oh Pak Aris apa Aristia? Ya itu just joke. Oke, thank you ya Aristia. Oke, move to now the boys. Bagus Chandra Wijaya. Nah, psikologi sekarang. Bagus Chandra Wijaya, prodi psikologi. Nanti habis ini Bagus Razia ya dari manajemen. Yuk, silakan Chandra.
Okay, thanks for attention give to me, Mr.
Ya.
Hello everyone, my name is Bagus Chandra Wijaya. People call me Bagus or Chandra. Anyone you like, I'm just like people call me Chandra. I'm from Badung Regency, exactly in Angguan Village. And my hobby is reading a book, and usually in weekdays, I'm just chill talk with my friends at night because it's fun for me. That's all for me, maybe.
Okay, thank you Chandra for your introducing. Now move to Bagus Razia. Sorry kalau salah ya. Nih, silahkan.
Everyone.
Kurang keras, Gus.
Okay.
Coba dinaikin volume ini. Volume kalau pakai laptop. Ada punya headset, boleh juga kalau ada headset.
Masih kecil, Pak?
Ya, ada masuk. Ya.
Okay.
Ya. Tadi kecil.
Good afternoon,
Oke.
everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cadet Bagus Rastia Tewesnawa. You may call me Tasya.
Okay.
Maybe you can call me Zia too. I'm 18 years old. Now I'm a daily worker at the hotel as night auditor.
Night auditor. Okay.
And my hobbies are singing, drawing, and dancing also.
Yeah, that's all. Enough.
Okay, maybe that's all
Yes,
about
yeah.
me. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Nice to
Thank
meet
you.
you.
Iya, nice to meet you too. Bagus suaramu. Ya apa ya? Kalau ya kan kakek naik auditor, udah lama kerja di situ.
Baru 1 bulan aja sih Pak, baru dipanggil
Oh,
oleh
baru
manajer
sebulan. Iya.
Iya.
Suaramu itu kalau ya rhythm, tone, intonation, got it. Ya, nanti kalau lari ke public speaking atau yang terkait dengan public speaking itu ya ke public, itu suaramu sudah bagus gitu. Makanya tadi saya ketika dengar suara itu sudah interest, saya tertarik karena biasa karena kita kan bukan native English, maksudnya native speaker gitu kan. Gitu. Makanya ya siapa tahu nanti ada lomba-lomba di kampus yang terkait dengan public speaking atau putra-putri kampus atau apa bentuknya. Ya apa namanya menggunakan suara voice begitu. Ya ini bagus maksudnya ya karena nama Anda bagus gitu ya. Jadi cocok gitu suaranya. Karena biasanya suaranya ya biasanya kalau di hotel gitu biasanya kan dia ada yang sebagai apa istilahnya kalau bahasa saya pinjam tukang pengalo-ngalo gitu istilahnya dia giving some information and then maybe kayak seperti di bandara atau dia seperti itu gitu loh. Suaramu ininya ini sekali apa namanya apa catch banget kalau saya gitu. Oke, thank you. Move to
Terima kasih.
siapa ya? Ya, thank you. Rudy deh, ulang lagi sekali Rud. I want to listen Rudy Mustafa. Are you in Indonesia or outside, abroad?
I'm born in Jakarta.
Oh, okay.
And I'm also
Now-
mixed English and Indonesian at the same time. Blasteran.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe you can introducing yourself, Rudy.
All right then.
once again.
I'm
Yeah.
ready. All right.
Yeah, go ahead.
Good evening. My name's Rudy Mustafa Evans. You can call me Rudy.
Yes. And then, where are you from?
I'm born in Jakarta. My dad is from UK. My mom's from Sunda and Tasikmalaya. That means I'm a mix.
Oh, okay.
I'm mixed
So
English Indonesian.
good. So how many siblings do you have?
Got a brother, Adam. Me and my bro are twins.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, I know actually. Yeah. Okay. And your hobby, may I know?
Come here. Yeah.
Your hobby?
My hobby is cycling.
Your hobby cycling and
I'm
your daily
taking
activities
photos of
maybe?
animals and plants too.
Okay. So why do you choose biology study program to continue your career? Actually, may I know?
I'm gonna continue learning biology about plants and animals and stuff, about nature.
Oh, great.
I mean, I've got a
So about
naturalist.
the yeah. Got it. So maybe you can learn again like a conservation maybe here, actually, something like that. Okay, good. So actually, when you come to Bali, now you are still in Jakarta.
No, I'm in Bali.
Oh, you are in Bali. So may I know in Bali where's the specific Denpasar and Badung?
I'm now at Dalong
Oh, at Dalung with your brother, yeah.
with my bro, with my mom.
Oh, okay, complete. Okay. So yeah, thank you, Rudy. Who's next? Siapa mau lagi ya? Tika, D3, ya, kakak Tika. Kurang keras, Tika. Saya tidak dengar. Sorry.
Sudah?
Ya, sudah.
Hi, I'm Luhardika Sari Dewi. You can call me Tika. I'm from Buleleng and I live in Tabanan. And my hobby is dancing Balinese and singing.
That's all? Why do you choose Diploma 3 Digital Marketing? Tika, kenapa Tika memilih D3 pemasaran?
Yes.
Nggak dengar suaranya. Apa sudah bicara apa belum?
Sebentar.
Tika di rumah apa masih tempat kerja atau gimana? Nggak bisa ya? Ini pakai HP ya? Oke deh. Thank you. Fortunata. Ya, lagi satu. Introducing yourself. Fortunata. Apakah suara saya bisa didengar? Belum kedengaran Fortunata. Mungkin di unmute bisa. Coba, ya.
Hello.
Ya, oke, dah kedengaran. Go ahead.
Good afternoon to all of us.
Ya.
Let me introducing myself. My name is Fortunata Trivenesimali, but you might call me Vena. And I'm from Romang. I live in Labuan Bajo. My hobby, I my hobby is singing, dancing, and reading novel. And daily activity today, I go to beach and I help my mother cooking. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Fortunata. So actually, thank you very much to all of you. Yeah, I just pointing you, not everyone, not to all of you. As you can introducing yourself actually. Yeah, just make a two correction only when you are saying your name to your nickname. Please don't use but. And then the last for your hobby, if you say more one hobby, you should say yeah. My hobbies are singing, cooking, dancing, and so on. If you are speaking, so different when we speaking and writing actually. Writing is very complete, but speaking ya kalau saya bilang secara grammar itu ya boleh kita kalau dibilang nabrak-nabrak sih yang penting lawan bicaranya paham. Ya, kalau misalnya Rudy bicara sama bapaknya karena beliau kalau dari UK ya, kita kalau dibilang native-nya UK atau Amerika ya, kalau saya dibilang saya larinya ke ini, ke English American gitu ya. Jadi bahasanya tidak seperti British English. Kalau Rudy UK-nya bapaknya memang dari British-nya atau bagaimana?
My dad is from London,
Oke,
Chelsea.
oh tadi. Oh Chelsea. Wow, Chelsea grup sepak bola Chelsea juga ya. Rudy berarti suka sepak bola juga? Enggak?
Not really. I'm not sure
really.
about that.
Okay. So maybe in Indonesia we actually love or like watching Premier League as well. And for me, I'm the one fans of Chelsea Football Club. And the second is Manchester City, not the side of it, like that one. Okay, thank you. So maybe for the topic two, actually both, yeah, all of some of you answer about introducing actually combined with daily habits. So I just only have one question for you, maybe for your daily habits. What do you do? Yeah, maybe not in your in the Google Classroom. What do you do when you get up in the morning? After you get up or wake up in the morning, what do you do usually? Okay, maybe if maybe holidays, or you can answer when you get holidays, or maybe you have like a daily routine, or maybe when you get in a rush, go to the school, or bisa mana saja Anda jawab. Ada yang mau menjawabnya? Apa yang Anda lakukan setelah kalian bangun pagi? What do you do when you get up or wake up in the morning? Okay, Rudy.
So when I get up in the morning, I start my day with a cup of coffee.
Okay, good.
And when I'm free in the morning after a cup of coffee, and if I'm free, like after I'm doing my chores, I'm going cycling.
You are going cycling. Okay. So if you choose cycling, what time? So maybe 1-2 hours, maybe you get the cycling, or what? How many hours for your cycling actually?
So
Normally, I started cycling after coffee, and then it ends in the afternoon, like it ends at either 11 or 12-ish.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Rudy.
You're welcome.
Okay. Yeah. And the others, what do you do when you get up in the morning? Get up is different with wake up. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe you can find out in a Google or the differences. But get up, wake up. Yeah. Yeah. Get up. We choose that. Apa yang Anda lakukan
Wake
setelah?
up and smell the coffee.
Yeah, so do I. Yeah, when I wake up in the morning, yeah, I prefer, yeah, find out the cup of coffee, and then yeah, I will do my regular activities in that day. So don't forget the coffee. If you cannot drink coffee, yeah, you can drink, yeah, mineral waters, or yeah,
Or tea.
something like that. Or tea. Okay, actually tea is good. Green tea, matcha, something like that. Okay, is that the others? Siapa yang mau? When you apa ada yang jawab setelah saya bangun tidur, saya tidur lagi? Ada? Karena holiday, saya malas-malasan, saya tidur lagi. Ada? Gitu. Kalau saya, for me, Monday until Friday, I always get up in the morning, 5 or 6 a.m. But when in a weekend, I get up in the morning at 7 or 7:30. Actually, yeah. Oke, yang lain gimana? Bagus, Chandra. What do you do when you get up in the morning?
When I wake up in the morning, I just play phone, do activity like playing a Duolingo because it's fun. And
you play Duolingo?
Yes, I'm playing Duolingo. And then I'm take a shower and I'm just praying. After that, I'm just watching YouTube. It's not more than that.
Okay. Thank you, Chandra. How about you, Melia? What do you do after when you get up in the morning? Well, you can unmute. Sorry. Yeah.
Sorry. I get up in the morning, I will checking my handphone. That I make a cup of tea. Do my daily activities.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, people in Indonesia, yeah, always after wake up, yeah, they check their phone, their cell phone, mobile phone, and then getting chat maybe, and then yeah, doing activities. Okay, so Chandra said that play Duolingo actually. Yeah, Duolingo is a good. If you want to improve yourself, actually, yeah, you can play Duolingo. You can install it. Yeah, you can use for free or not, ya bisa Anda pakai itu Duolingo gitu, atau aduh saya lupa, ada lagi British apa namanya lagi satu, saya lupa. Ada itu
English first.
Iya, tapi ada yang kalau di aplikasinya itu bisa dipakai juga English first ya. Saya lupa aplikasinya karena saya pakai di HP yang lain. Ada itu aplikasinya. Itu juga bisa, jadi Anda bisa mengerjakan seperti like a TOEFL, actually. Kalau Anda mau dapat sampai hasilnya keluar gitu ya, itu kalau Anda mau British Score kalau tidak salah, kalau mau download sertifikatnya Anda harus bayar. Bayar kalau tidak salah 300 ribuan untuk download itu. Jadi bisa dipakai kalau untuk hal-hal yang bersifat formal. Banyak bisa itu dipakai kalau untuk itu. So for the last, di sini semua ada yang sudah kerja. Chandra sudah kerja? Kalau tadi Bagus Raisya sudah. Ya?
Not, Mister.
Oh,
Not,
belum.
I'm not.
Ya. Oke, Melia. Kerja? Kerja? Bisa di-unmute? Oh, oke. Aristia kerja?
Sometimes I doing freelance work whenever I get an open.
Freelance itu seperti apa? Boleh tahu dong maksudnya, sorry.
Freelance
Nah,
mungkin
apa
kayak
freelance-nya?
kan waktu itu pernah sih di Dewa Dewi gitu.
Oh, ya istilahnya part time itu ya?
Ya.
Bukan full time ya? Ya. Ada yang full time kah kalian di sini? Siapa tahu ada yang full time gitu. Saya berharap sih yang nanti ya semoga karena masih ya istilahnya kalian di bachelor degree itu atau diploma degree, saya berharap tidak terganggu antara Anda kerja dengan kuliah. Semoga bisa selesai tamat 4 tahun yang S1, kalau yang diploma 3 itu selesai harus 3 tahun. Enggak ada ya yang terlambat seperti itu. Oke, saya pikir saya cukupkan dulu for today. So after finish, kalian enggak usah langsung balik lagi ke enggak perlu leave meeting ya. Jadi tidak perlu leave breakout room, maaf maksud saya itu. Jadi langsung saja leave meeting. Kalian bisa out, sampai jumpa besok sore lagi ya. Di waktu yang sama jam 5 sore. Dan tetap nama Anda ini rename-nya seperti ini ya. Nanti untuk memudahkan tim kami untuk ya siapa tahu nanti apa saya masih mengajar lagi di sama atau beda ya, tergantung nanti dari timnya gitu. Dia yang bagian bagi-bagi antara kesini gitu dosen-dosennya. Is there any question? Ingat ya, jangan lupa presensinya mungkin sudah terpublish sekarang, lihat di Google Classroom. Ya, ketik nama lengkap Anda. Saya ulang lagi sekali ya, cukup presensinya ditulis Bagus, misalnya contoh nih, Bagus Chandra Wijaya, underline nama dosennya. Jadi boleh underline dosen, underline Nilwardana boleh. Atau dibalik nama saya, underline dosen, gitu boleh. Ya. Jadi kalau Anda tidak mengikuti seperti yang saya sampaikan ini, berarti ya kemungkinan besar nanti biar dikira nanti Anda tidak join Zoom. Gitu ya. Jadi teman-teman yang off cam, saya harap Anda mendengar, tolong nanti jangan chat di grup. Ya, tadi bilang selamat sore saya kerja saya tidak dengar. Nah, itu resiko ditanggung penumpang. Ya. Itu namanya resiko ditanggung penumpang. Gitu. Contoh misalnya kalau kita naik pesawat, kita terlambat datang, ya sudah kita ditinggal sama pesawat. Nggak bisa kita marah-marah mau apa, nggak bisa. Jadi gitu ya untuk semua ya. Jadi ingat nama lengkap Anda dengan nama dosen ya pengajar di atau istilahnya di breakout room ini. Oke, I think that's enough for today. Thank you very much.
Di Google nama saya itu sudah diganti jadi Rudy Mustafa Evans
underline
Nilwardana.
Ya, boleh. Boleh, Rudy boleh. Oke.
Alright then.
Ya. Oke, thank you. See you tomorrow afternoon and bye-bye. Saya leave ya. Oke.